Daredevil.
Havan. The opening salute with a bullet wheelie, leading the corps of signal Daredevils team. Today's parade, dynamic team captain, Captain Ashish Rana. And these are the two wheelies. What balance, what synchronization, and what confidence. What balance, what synchronization, and what confidence.
और 12 फीट ऊंची सीढ़ी से सैल्यूट का विश्व रिकॉर्ड बनाने महिला ऑफिसर कैप्टन डिंपल सिंह भाटी.
What a moment of pride for all these performers over here to be. And now we can see the three-peak devil formation. Leading the formation, Naik Jayakumar, Naik SP Mangu and signalman Sanket, making a world record of the longest assisted handstand on Kartavya Path for the very first time.
शत्रुजीत, ये डेविल्स के जवान शत्रुजीत फॉर्मेशन तैयार करते हुए डांस नायक सुमित कुमार यादव और 7 अन्य डेविल्स कर्तव्य पथ पर.
So many brilliant formations. Mercury Peak, the daring Mercury Peak formation performed by Havaldar Pramod Patil, Havaldar Sangram, Keshari Jena and 12 daredevils. We can see them pushing the boundaries of endurance.
डेविल्स एक एक करके आगे भागते हुए मर्क्यूरी पीक.
Going past the saluting base. Mercury Peak formation. Hours of practice, years of training coming to fruition today.
Info Warrior, जो आधुनिक युग के तकनीकी वॉरियर्स, कोर ऑफ सिग्नल्स के प्रतीक के रूप में हवलदार अमित परेश, नायक सुनील कुमार और 14 अन्य डेविल्स.
And after the Info Warriors, we look forward to the Lotus, the magnificent Lotus formation led by CHN Durgesh Kumar, CQMH Sujit Mondal and 20 other daredevils. Stunning display vividly recreates India's national flower, the Lotus.
और ये ह्यूमन पिरामिड 33 मैन पिरामिड, नायब सूबेदार अनिल कुमार और 8 डेविल 9 मोटरसाइकिलों पर 33 मैन पिरामिड तैयार करते हुए कर्तव्य पथ पर जोश और रोमांच की नई परिभाषा लिखते हुए.
Absolutely. Well, the exhilaration has just begun. And now it's time for our men in blue and the fly past.
It's time for the grand finale, dazzling fly past by the Indian Air Force. Soon you will witness aerobatics and professional mid-sky maneuvers by some of the most professional pilots. The fly past lined up today, comprising a total of 40 aircraft, 22 fighters, 11 transport aircraft and 7 helicopters. We also have 3 aircraft from the Indian Coast Guard and 1 aircraft of the Indian Navy in today's fly past. These aircraft have taken off from different air bases, flying all the way to Kartavya Path today and present an aerial salute to the Supreme Commander of the Armed Forces of India. The first formation will be Ajay Formation, a powerful display of indomitable spirit of our Apache attack helicopters, known for their unmatched power and lethality across the world. Shortly, 3 Apache helicopters will be flying in over the saluting dais in victory formation.
जी हाँ, निगाहें आकाश की ओर हैं और वायु विचरण करते हुए, वायु गर्जन करते हुए भारतीय वायुसेना के जांबाज कुछ ही पलों के पश्चात कर्तव्य पथ के ऊपर नजर आएंगे. निगाहें उन्हें ढूंढ रही हैं उत्कंठा के साथ और यकीनन भारतीय वायुसेना का आदर्श वाक्य नभः स्पृशम दीप्तम चरितार्थ होने की ओर अग्रसर.
Flying in Apache attack helicopters, today led by Group Captain Praveen Sarathi. Flying the other 2 aircraft are Wing Commander Muni Dogra and Wing Commander Gaurav Patania. The Apaches, with its advanced fire control radar, night vision system, and arsenal of Hellfire missiles and Hydra rockets, is a formidable force in the battlefield. These fierce attack helicopters are the face of the modern machines in India's leap into the manufacturing advanced of the rotary wing platform. And there you can see Formation Airborne from Air Force Station Hindon, led by Group Captain Praveen Sarathi. The Apache attack helicopters flying in victory formation.
संतुलन, साहस और शौर्य का परिचय 3 अपाचे हेलीकॉप्टर विक्ट्री फॉर्मेशन में कर्तव्य पथ के ऊपर पहुंचते हुए 137 हेली स्क्वाड्रन से नेतृत्व ग्रुप कैप्टन प्रवीण सारथी कर रहे हैं। अन्य सदस्य हैं विंग कमांडर मनीष डोगरा और विंग कमांडर गौरव पठानिया।
The aircraft equipped with state-of-the-art avionics and sensors, allowing them to operate in a variety of environment and weather conditions.
इंडिया गेट के ठीक पास पहुंचते हुए अजय फॉर्मेशन में 3 अपाचे हेलीकॉप्टर विक्ट्री फॉर्मेशन में तेज खिली हुई धूप और साफ आसमान, वायु गर्जन, वायु विचरण, शौर्य साहस का परिचय। और अब बारी सतलुज फॉर्मेशन की। 2 डॉर्नियर और एक AN-32 ट्रांसपोर्ट हेलीकॉप्टर, ट्रांसपोर्ट एयरक्राफ्ट विक्ट्री फॉर्मेशन में उड़ान भरते हुए नजर आएंगे।
Formation led by Wing Commander Pinak Ashok Kodkute, along with Flight Lieutenant Anurag Mishra, Wing Commander Amol, along with Flight Lieutenant Sahaj. The Dorniers taken off today from Palam Air Base. AN-32, a strong, rugged aeroplane with a might. The Dorniers belonging and Coast Guard Dorniers capable of carrying out at sea. And now the next formation, Arjun Formation. Formation comprising 1 C-130J Super Hercules aircraft and 2 C-295
विमान एशॉन में C-130J एयरक्राफ्ट
air dominance fighter aircraft of the Indian Air Force. The PHI is a long-range maritime reconnaissance and anti-submarine warfare air sensors and weaponry, including indigenous equipment, making it the most potent maritime platform. The aircraft undertakes wide range of missions. The formation today
एक के बाद एक विमान
Beam formation. Now gracing the skies is the awe-inspiring beam formation. Leading this majestic display is the C-17 Globemaster, a true embodiment of power, endurance and reliability in the air.
भीम फॉर्मेशन में एक C-17 और 2 Su-30 विमान एशॉन स्टीमिंग फ्यूल में विक्ट्री फॉर्मेशन बनाते हुए दिख रहे हैं। ग्रुप कैप्टन समीप तेजावन के नेतृत्व में साथ में है ग्रुप कैप्टन ध्रुव कुमार और विंग कमांडर सुदीप पी।
Heavy lift transport aircraft C-17 taken off today from Air Force Station Hindon, while the Sukhois got airborne from Jodhpur. Formation flying at a speed of 555 kilometers. Led by Group Captain Sameep Nithawan, mentioned in dispatches. Sukhoi is flown by Group Captain Dhruv Kumar, Vayu Sena Medal, and Wing Commander Sudeep P.
के बाद एक हैरत अंगेज कारनामे करते हुए फॉर्मेशन आगे बढ़ते हुए।
And now time for faster moves with pure fighter formations. In the lead, Jaguars. Jaguar, a versatile twin-engine strike aircraft known for its robust design and adaptability, capable of performing in challenging environment and thus a valuable asset for close air support, precision strikes and reconnaissance missions. And there you can see 5 Jaguars in arrow formation, formation led by Group Captain Akash Chechi. The other members of the formation, Wingy.
अमृत फॉर्मेशन 5 जैगुआर विमान, भारत की सुदृढ़ वायु शक्ति का प्रदर्शन। स्क्वाड्रन का मोटो शक्ति विजयते, आदर्श वाक्य। फॉर्मेशन का नाम अमृतकाल, भारत का विजन 2047
near Bikaner and flying at a speed of 750 kilometers per
अवलोकन करके। अमृत फॉर्मेशन के बाद अब बारी होगी वज्रांग फॉर्मेशन की।
6 Rafale, omnipotent fighter aircraft of the Indian Air Force. Undoubtedly, one could say that even the winds along the Kartavya path have stopped to stare at these Rafales. Flying majestically up in the air, formation led by Squadron Leader Amol Garg, Squadron Leader Mihir Vivek Chaudhary, Squadron Leader Sarthak Kumar, Squadron Leader Mohit Tyagi, Squadron Leader Arun Athare, and Squadron Leader Shivangi Singh, all from 17th Squadron.
17 स्क्वाड्रन जिसका आदर्श वाक्य उदयम अस्त्रम 6 राफेल विमान हवा में विलीन होते में 3 Su-30 विमान विक्ट्री फॉर्मेशन में उड़ान भरते हुए नजर आएंगे। 900 किलोमीटर प्रति घंटे की रफ्तार से त्रिशूल भगवान शिव का अस्त्र है और बुराई के अंत का, दुश्मन के संहार का परिचायक।
Formation led today by Group Captain Manish Arora, Shaurya Chakra. Other members in the formation are Wing Commander Kunal Kalra and Wing Commander Abhimanyu Singh, all from 15th Squadron, and there you can see the Trishul formation comprising 3 Sukhoi 30 MKI air dominance fighter aircraft flying at a speed of 900 kilometers per hour.
3 Su-30 विमान जिनका विजय नाद सुनकर रोमांच महसूस किया जा सकता है, हवा में विलीन होते हुए त्रिशूल फॉर्मेशन बनाते हुए।
Having pulled up, watch the leader going further up and the wingmen spitting to cast a trishul or a trident up in the air. Formation led by Group Captain Manish Arora.
और अब रोमांच की पराकाष्ठा, विजय फॉर्मेशन, एक राफेल रखी अपनी।
And in command of Group Captain Abhishek Tripathi, along with Flight Lieutenant Sona, here comes the single Rafale flying at 900 kilometers per hour. All set to touch the sky with glory as he will execute the victory roll over Kartavya Path today. Known as the Falcons of Champ and Akhnur, flying with their motto, Anbhishya Bhedi, or Seek to Destroy. That's Group Captain Abhishek Tripathi.
That guides our journey as a republic. An aspirational and young population with limitless potential. Awaiting the arrival of the President's bodyguard, and we can see them coming for the national anthem. And then they will escort the Supreme Commander of the Armed Forces, the President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmu, and our chief guest for today, President Prabowo Subianto, President of Indonesia.
हमारी सांस्कृतिक विरासत को सहेज कर संजो कर रखते भारतीय सेना के ये घोड़सवार शूरवीर अब कमांडेंट
Salam Nagik! National salute! Madrid! Back!
पूरे होने की भावना जीवंत और साकार होती हुई।
Hundreds of balloons in the colors of the national flag rising in the sky. A beautiful blue winter sky welcoming them in its warm embrace. The symbolic rising of the aspirations of a people who have always believed in the existence of a higher calling.
राष्ट्रपति भवन की ओर ले जाते हुए।
In fact, today we can do much more than just observe tradition. Days like today bring us together as a people on whom rests the responsibility to rededicate, refine and repurpose our own individual efforts for nation building, to pull back from the rigor and humdrum of daily life and see what kind of a country are we building, to realign some of our individual hopes and dreams that of the nation and collective hopes and dreams. Post the culmination of the parade here, we now see the departure of the Vice President of India from the saluting base.
विकसित राष्ट्र बनने की ओर अग्रसर भारत पिछले 10 सालों से उन्नति एवं उत्थान की जनभागीदारी और मानव कल्याण की ऐसी गौरव गाथा